안녕하세요. Okay, so I have here I'm sorry, nagiduyan. I have here the little butterflies, or as we call in Korean, jagonabidul. So some of you are not here because they have some errands or they have somewhere to go. Because today is Saturday. So earlier, you already have your class man, no? Unsa may inyo gi klase kanina? Multiplication? By tomorrow, kay mag-klase gihapon. Sunday, nagyapon mo yung klase niya, mag-multiplication mo later. Tomorrow. Okay? Okay. So, this is the little butterflies. I also have here the level 1, the level 2, and the level 3. There you go. So, I will be giving snacks, and that is from Maayong Buntag Ni. Okay? So, later. Hold on. So, these are the snacks that we have just prepared. So, we have like crackers. We also have biscuits here. We have what you call this? Fried banana from cooked by Mother of Erisha. And we also have juice. So this is like 1,000. I just added juice. And I have here the teachers of Little Butterflies, Annalyn and Jermaine. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so we will be distributing the snacks. Okay, so everybody receives snacks, right? So you received crackers, ipakita. Crackers, juice, banana, and biscuits. Each of you received that, right? And that is from Maayong Buntag Ni, Kamsahamnida. Again daw. Maayong Buntag Ni, Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. O sige, pwede na mga un.
Eat ko sa banana first. mo